I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm here at Point of Rock Station in Point of Rocks, Maryland at night. The CSX Metropolitan and Old Main Line subdivisions, and right now we've got an eastbound taking the Met. This is M421, a manifest that has been rerouted for the last few months due to the Howard Street Tunnel project. There's actually a cop car way down there at Canal Road. M421 should be passing there any second now. And you can see we also have, oh, yep, he's coming now. We also have a clear, or a medium clear west on 1. So here comes 421. I got some double stacks up front. Just a few of them. Now we got some mixed freight. He is booking it. Interesting looking hopper. Another interesting car. There are some cool cars on this train. I don't think there are any fallen flags, but we'll see. I watched this go to the hops cam. I think there's some like rock hoppers. Yeah, like that's kind of cool. That's cool. There's some rock hoppers. Yep, from here at Point of Rocks at night, there's another one. Tropicana. Huh. Don't usually see that on the Met. But yeah, you got medium clear westbound. There are 3 trains I will be seeing tonight. This is number 1. Number 2 is going to be this train west on 1. Which we will find out next. And then there's a 3rd train. I don't know if it's going to go Met Old Main. Yeah, this is M421. Going from Buffalo, New York, I think, to Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Whoa, there's like a creepy face there. My gosh, this train is going really fast. I think the speed limit's 35 or 40. He's going, whatever it is, it's going all of that. Yeah, nothing really special rolling stock wise, that's okay. I can see the FRED in the distance, so this is almost the end of the train. Oh, ATSF, there we go. There's a fallen flag. There goes M421 eastbound. Booking it. Alright, thank you for watching, and here from Point of Rock Station in Point of Rocks, Maryland, this is the Old Main guy signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great day, but we are not done yet from here. So stay tuned for future content.